Start with AI, easy and free. Go to your browser. Open 2 tabs in your browser. The first one is your email. The second one is open, router.ai. Click on Sign In. Then click on Sign Up. Enter your email address. Choose a password. Click on Continue. Go to your email, verify your email. OK, and now you see this circle with a person in it. That means you have signed into Open Router. Click away the old tab for Open Router. Click on Chat. Now you have to choose an AI model. So which one choose you choose? Well, you want one which is free. Go to Browse. And click on the Low to High. Scroll through the free AI models, until you see that they start to cost. Here is the first one that costs money. All the previous AI models are free. That means that you have a lot of free models you can use. Go to Chat. Disable these ones that are here. Now, click on Model, Plus. Choose a free AI model. I will choose MetaLlama 3, 8B, Instruct, free. Let's check if it works. List 5 male names. And send it away. Here we have 5 names. So it works. This is everything you have to know to start using AI. But what if you want to choose an AI model that is not free? In that case, go to Credits. And then Manage Credits. Fill out the information. And add credits with your credit card. And when you're done, you can start to use the non-free, more advanced AI models. Okay, that's everything for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.